Don't you remember?
Yeah.
We'd be way out in the field, Mother would ring that, and kids could come from miles around.
I don't remember ever putting it on the cow.
No.
Did you ever have to wear it yourself?
Yeah.
No, you never had to wear it.
Bad behavior, bad behavior.
I remember a couple of times we put it on the cow, and
I do remember
we could hear
that.
it way out in the field. So
That's got a great sound to it.
It's a nice sound, yeah. It's not
I
quite
love
like
that.
what we hear up in
And it's
Switzerland.
so-
It is similar to what we hear in Switzerland.
It's just so much remembered. It reminded me of what we had as kids.
Yeah.
You know,
I'm not giving that.
Isn't that the original?
No.
No.
Oh, it isn't?
No, I think
It could be. I think the butter churn is.
It could be.
There could be a few.
I remember using that.
We used to sit there in the morning,
Stand.
on Saturday morning, or standing on a chair, and listen to Let's Pretend, and we'd be cranking away making butter
Yeah.
while we listened to Let's Pretend. Remember that? Or
Yeah, I
you may not, you may not remember that.
I remember the gruesome twosome too.
No.
What's the gruesome twosome?
You have
That
to know
was-
the gruesome twosome.
That was,
Is that a radio show?
Paul Saindon? What was his name?
Oh.
Larry Saindon.
Larry.
I figured it was you two.
Well, yeah. I think that's a
I
given.
have a picture of Larry
He
saying.
thinks we're the gruesome
No,
twosome.
yeah, that's true. I found a picture of Larry Saint and David in their altar boy outfits, and Father Hammer is right behind him, and he's got his arm tucked through Larry Saint's arm, and I'm saying, oh, I never knew he was a Bigfoot.
That what?
I never knew Father Hammer was a pedophile.
He probably was.
You got that
I
on
wasn't
film?
that especially. I think Father McNiff was.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Absolutely.
Right, okay.
You won't get any argument on that.
What was-
Any-
what-
On that note.